Hanabie is very colorful, very sweet, very cute. What? Bessy cute! Yeah. Hi cuties! Welcome back on the cute ship deck. We sail the cute ship to explore the ocean of music and media, and we fill it up with cuties. Like and subscribe, become a cutie. Guys. So we are going back on the Japanese metal band streak today. The band's name is called Hanabie. Hanabie is a Japanese nu metalcore band that consists of 4 girls who are very colorful, very sweet, very cute, just like myself. Yeah, that's why I love them already. Hanabie has been recommended to me from y'all. Oh, your majesty, my wolves people from Love Bites. So I am doing Hanabie. Thanks for your suggestions. And the song of choice is We Love Sweets, the music video version.
Wow, I love that instrument already. What? I did not expect that! She just growled! Oh my gosh! This is so awesome! I scream! Marimato! Wari amato! Excellent skill! What? That guitar! Became the strawberry! It's hype! Oh my gosh, I love that! Oh my god, that's fantastic! Now I really feel like grabbing just a handful of donuts and just shovel it in my mouth. That was so cool! I love this music video, it rocks! Oh my gosh, how are they not more popular? Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness, they are so cool! Giving it 86,001, whatever. Wow, that was a great music video. I was so blown away. I did not expect all that growling. I thought I knew what to get, and I was so wrong. I was so wrong. Just from like the very first impression, like in the first 30 seconds, when she's like, shuka, 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 like super cute, right? I thought that's where we're going. And it's just... And then got me. And the whole concept of the sweet, the donuts, like the setting. Oh, it's just like a huge contrast. You know, everything's colorful, everything's so sweet. The girl is just like dreaming chocolate and strawberry, but then it's screaming death metal. And you guys do help me in the comment, like help me understand the few letters on the screen that they were talking about. There are a couple of screens where the girls are featured on the screen, and then there's like letters. Is that the name of the singers, or like some other letters, some other meanings? Hanabie, amae mono tabitai. Oh wait! Oh wait! This is a great screen. Yukina Masuiri Hetsu Sae. That's the names of the girls, right? Right? Amae mono tabitai. Okay. Ware Amato. Oh, I think she's singing that. Hold on. Alright, so that's taken from the lyrics of the song. Ware Amatoi again. Yes, I keep seeing the screen over and over, so I need to know what it means. Oh, it looks like, okay, there's a little tagline down there. Yukina Matsuri Hetsu Sae, never sugar, ever sugar, forever. This is so cute. Isn't that a cool ending right there? Just crushing it. They're crushing it. Director Takuya Oyama, you are the man. You made awesome music video, and I want to watch more of your videos. Okay? I do. Alright, that's Hanabie. We love sweets. Guys, give me a donuts, give me cookies. Gift me a whole box of chocolate.
Chocolate? Chocolate! Chocolate! Chocolate!
Alright, any requests. This video was great, so I hope you like it as much as I did. So like this video and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell button. Ding ding ding. Ding ding ding. And also follow me on social media. Check out my Love Vibes reaction series over here. These girls are just as cute and just as epic. So cuties, I'll see you in the next voyage. Bye.